here is how you change a clip speed in CapCut. Now I'm going to go ahead and create a new project and add in this footage of us slowly moving down the river. Now what I'm going to do is just split, and I'm going to delete the right hand side. So we've just got a little section of clip here, right? Now we want this clip highlighted. So as you can see, we're highlighted there when it's got the white border around it, and click on speed in the bottom navigation there. Now what we can do is click on normal or curve. Normal is going to allow us to change a whole clip speed. Curve's a little more complex. We'll look at that in a sec. So on normal, we can simply say we want it twice as fast, 5 times as fast, and we can scroll through. So now if we play that through, we can see it's much, much quicker. So let's go ahead and play. We're scrolling right through super, super quick. So that's all good. If we want curve, this is going to give us variation. So for example, here, this curve, if we look at it, it's going to speed up, and then drop down slower, and then speed up, and then drop down back to normal. So let's play that through. See, it's like a speed ramp as such, okay? So fast, slow, fast. So these curves allow you to add custom effects. This one, for example, normal or slightly slower, and jump up, then back down, okay? So let's play that one through and see what we have. Do bear in mind that as you change the clip speed, it's going to change the length of the clip in your timeline. There you go, you've got lots of effects to play around with speed, so have a play, you'll find one that works for you.